Hi there, today I will be showing you how to share a OneDrive folder to next person. With the help of my method, you will be able to share your folder, files, or even documents. So let's try it out. The first thing is, get access to the OneDrive, and click on the first link. And then you will be moved to the official page for OneDrive. Sign in your account in OneDrive in which you want to share the folder. Once you do, here you can see I sign in my account in OneDrive, and this one is the first interface that will appear in OneDrive. Now, in order to share a folder, if you don't have that folder or file in the OneDrive, then click on the option Create or Upload, and choose that file or folder from your computer. But if you already upload everything in the OneDrive, then click on the option My File. Then you will see all the files which you have in the OneDrive. Below, you will see all the files and folder. Now find that file or folder which you want to share. Just for example, I want to share this, it's a document, and you can see currently it's on a private, not on sharing. Once the folder or the file will be selected, click on the option Share. Now here you will see, add a name, group, or email. And if I click on this pencil icon, it will ask about the permission that person will get with the invitation. This one is, can view with the help of this. He can only view the file and can't make any changes. But with the help of this, he can make any changes that you want. I'll select this, now here in the name, group, or email address of the next person, just like I will add an email address. I'm writing, if you want to write a message, then write a message, and here you can find an option, send. If I click on it, then this request will be sent on this specific email. But if that person have nothing, then click on the option copy, and this link will be copy. And with the help of this link, you can get this file, and also you have to make sure this one is selected, anyone with the link. And now share it with this link or send it on this email address. It's up to you, and that's it.